ஹாய். ஆ டுடே நம்ம வந்து என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா, கேரியர் ரீடிங் மட்டும் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு பார்க்க போறோம். அஸ் ஐம் நாட் ஃபீலிங் ஓகே டு டூ ரொம்ப நேரம் வந்து பண்ற மாதிரியான நிலைமையில வந்து ஐம் நாட் ஃபீலிங் தட் கிரேட். ஸோ ஐ தாட் ஓகே, எசென்ஷியலாக வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டாக லெட்ஸ் டூ கேரியர் ரீடிங் ஃபார் த மந்த் ஆஃப் ஜூன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு டூ. ஓகே. This is going to be the general reading. If it resonates, take what resonates with you. எது ரெசனேட் ஆகலையோ அதை வந்து அப்படியே வந்து ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடுங்க. அண்ட் எனக்கு டேரோனாலே என்னன்னு தெரியல. ஐ டோன்ட் ஈவன் நோ வாட் டேரோ மீன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா there is a link in the description box which helps you to understand what is tarot card. Okay, and there is a link for my Instagram page, and there is a phone number in my description box if you want to book a personal reading with me. Okay, 8610337463. It's my WhatsApp number to book a personal reading or private reading, and private and personal readings are chargeable. That depends upon the time that, and also that depends upon the questions you have and number of persons you're going to see. Okay, and this is going to be the general reading for the month of June 2021, carrier reading for the people of Aries. Okay, let's begin. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe and support. Okay, Iris career reading please. Iris career reading please. Iris career reading. Iris career reading please. So let's say Iris career reading please. What is the people want to know about it? How is the month of June it's going to be for the people of Aries? How is the month of June it's going to be for the people of Aries? For career reading for the people of Aries for the month of June 2021. Career reading please. Career reading please. Show me the 4 cards. Show me the 4 cards. Okay. Okay, there is a cycle coming up. There is a cycle changes is happening in your career. Okay, and it's definitely going to test your patience, test your self courage, braveness, everything. And there is also an offer coming up in your career. Let's clarify more. But at the same time, you have to wait more. Patience is little more needed. அப்படின்ற மாதிரி I'm getting a cards because I have got 7 of Pentacles. Okay, you have worked hard for it. You're expecting something in your career point, and it's not going to happen very soon. It's telling me you have to wait. But let's clarify for the 4 cards. Okay, why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Show me the 2 cards. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Show me the 2 cards for the clarification. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? Show me the clarification. Show me the clarification. 2 cards. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here? The change is going to happen very very soon. Okay, the energy is coming very fast. Okay, if at all, if you are experiencing or expecting any messages or any communication very very soon, and it's going to happen, and it's coming fast. Okay, whatever you desire, whatever you think, the source are within yourself. Whatever the source, whatever the materialistic you are expecting in your career wise, or okay, I'm expecting to do this, I'm expecting to do this product, and I'm expecting this message from this particular person, or from this particular anything it could be, it's coming on the way. The cycle is changing very soon. The Strength card is, why the Strength card is here? Why the Strength card is here? Show me the cards. Okay, so many cards, so many cards. So I told you, right? The new is beginning, and old is going to die. The cycle is happening very soon in your career. Yes, because I have received the Death card. I have received the death card, and at the same time, it's going to test your braveness, courage, everything, because I have received the Two of Swords. It means you must be having two choices in your mind, and you are getting confused which one to go for, or else you are completely blindfolded by something and you are not ready to seek the truth in whatever is happening in your career life. Okay, completely blindfolded, and you don't know what to do in your career, because as I told, this is a career challenge. Career reading, as it is it's going to be very challenging for you. It's going to be very, very challenging for you, because as I have received strength card, the death card is here, and the Two of Swords is here. It's definitely going to be very challenging for you, I guess so. The Knight of Cups is here. Show me the two. Show me the two. Show me the clarifications from the deck. Show me the clarification. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Four of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. As I told you, right? Okay. It's going to be a lot of politics, a lot of disappointments. I think it's going to it's going to come soon in your career அப்படின்னு வந்து நினைக்கிறேன். People around you would always think, okay, Nia Nana அப்படின்ற ஒரு போட்டி, it's going to be there in your career for sure, because that is the challenge is coming in your way. That is a cycle is changing in your way. Okay. There may be an offer coming on your way. Okay. And that offer is going to be like உனக்கா எனக்கா இல்லை உனக்கு வரப்போகுதா எனக்கு வரப்போகுதா அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு ஆஃபர் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ஆன் த வே. இட்ஸ் ஆஃபர் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ஆன் த வே. இந்த ஆஃபரை நீ எடுத்துக்க போறியா இல்லை நான் எடுத்துக்க போகிறேன்னா, வெதர் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டேக் திஸ் ஆஃபர் ஆர் இட்ஸ் கோயிங் டு பி இட்ஸ் going to taken over by someone else. That kind of challenge I could see here. Whether am I going to win or that person is going to win this challenge. Two of Swords. Nia Nana. Choices. You're going to be get obsessed because of this. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. You're definitely going to get obsessed because of this. Because this offer is a very huge offer. It's for you. Seven of Pentacles. To show me the two clarification cards. Only the Seven of Pentacles is here. Okay, there is a change is going to, Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Judgment and the Fool. Okay, see, whatever you're waiting for in your career, it's worth the risk. It's definitely worth the risk, and it's definitely going to happen. So I just want you to not to worry. Okay, I just want you to not to worry. What's the advice for the people of Aries in the career for the month of June? It's a piece of advice for the people of Aries. Don't worry much. Take rest. Okay, take it very slow. Don't be so desperate about it. Everything will fall on your place. But right now, this is the time to relax yourself, calm down yourself. Okay, already given so much of time. You have already invested so much time. You have given so much to this particular thing, and it's definitely for you to take rest. I mean, take rest in the sense calm yourself down, put yourself together. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's all spread only love.